6–12 months is a wonderful way to introduce them to a variety of nutritious foods and flavors. By making your own purees, you have control over the ingredients, ensuring that your baby receives fresh, wholesome meals. Here's a guide on some of the best vegetables to use and how to prepare them. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene and are easy to digest. To prepare, peel and chop the sweet potatoes, then steam or boil until tender. Mash or blend until smooth, adding breast milk, formula, or water to achieve the desired consistency. Carrots. Carrots are another excellent source of beta-carotene and are naturally sweet. Steam or boil chopped carrots until soft, then puree until smooth. You can also mix them with other vegetables like peas or sweet potatoes for added flavor and nutrition. Peas. Peas are packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. Steam fresh or thaw frozen peas until tender, then puree until smooth. You may need to add water or breast milk or formula to achieve a creamy consistency. Green beans. Green beans are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Steam fresh green beans until soft, then puree until smooth. You can mix them with other vegetables like carrots or potatoes for a balanced flavor. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient powerhouse containing vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and fiber. Steam or boil broccoli florets until tender, then puree until smooth. You can also mix it with milder vegetables like cauliflower or sweet potatoes to balance the flavor. Butternut squash. Butternut squash is rich in vitamins A and C, as well as fiber. Peel and chop the squash, then steam or roast until soft. Puree until smooth, adding liquid as needed. Zucchini. Zucchini is low in calories and high in water content, making it easy for babies to digest. Steam or boil chopped zucchini until soft, then puree until smooth. You can mix it with other vegetables or fruits for added variety. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that is rich in iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C. Steam fresh spinach until wilted, then puree until smooth. You can mix it with fruits like apples or pears for a sweeter flavor. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is rich in beta-carotene and fiber, making it beneficial for digestive health. Steam or roast pumpkin until soft, then puree until smooth. You can add spices like cinnamon or nutmeg for extra flavor. Avocado. Avocado is a great source of healthy fats and vitamin E. Simply mash ripe avocado until smooth, adding breast milk, formula, or water to reach the desired consistency. You can also mix it with fruits like bananas or mangoes for added sweetness. When introducing new vegetables to your baby, it's essential to monitor for any signs of allergies or intolerances. Start with small amounts and gradually increase as your baby becomes accustomed to different flavors and textures. Homemade vegetable purees offer a nutritious and delicious way to nourish your baby during this critical stage of development.